It's official. Samsung teased its newest wearable, the Samsung Galaxy Ring, at the Unpacked 2024 event in January. While few details were provided at the time, we now know more. A new report from Samsung's home of Korea claims the Galaxy Ring will be announced at the next Unpacked event, which is expected to take place in the second half of July. It's also where the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are to become official. Samsung has kept quiet on what features will be included in its game-changing Galaxy Ring. It will sport an ECG sensor, monitor your blood flow, and be available in 8 varieties, and will also support NFC payments. The ring will connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. There will apparently be 8 different sizes on offer. Apple has also accelerated its work in the smart ring space, patenting more and more related features for a possible Apple Ring coming in the future. Samsung seems busy with the Galaxy Ring's development since it appeared on the Samsung Good Lock app. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is now listed in the battery widgets section of the Good Lock app with other Samsung devices. We don't have any indications of how much the Samsung Galaxy Ring would cost, but we can take some educated guesses based on the price of other smart rings currently on the market. We'd be surprised if the Galaxy Ring cost more than $300. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.